what a difference these LED lights make. There's something that I've been looking to upgrade in the garage for a long time, and that's my lighting setup. I've been using a little halogen light and plugging it in around the garage to try and give me some light, and the shadow's awful sometimes. It puts off a lot of heat, which is good when it's a little bit cold down here, get it a little bit warmer. But these lights that I've got, they're just standard bulbs. I think they're actually LEDs. You see them here. Got one on this side and then one on the other side. But I've actually seen these lights here around in various stores. I just hadn't actually bought them. But these ones here are 6,000 lumens. I actually got them from Ocean State. We were in there picking up a couple of things. It's called Bright Living, which 6,000 lumens. I think the other ones I've seen are about 3,000, 3,500 lumens. So these ones should be really bright. So let me get them installed, and then we can compare the difference, and maybe I'll wait till it gets dark outside and we can see what the normal bulb looks like. That's actually an LED bulb as well, and then what these LEDs look like. And I can also point these in different directions as well as things, so we should get good coverage and good lighting down here for when we're working at night, and just when we're working in general. It's light outside, and if I don't want to open the doors, it can be a little bit dark in here, so this will be good, help me out a little bit. I don't have to keep moving the halogen light around. So I'll get these installed and I'll show you what it looks like. So one thing when I was looking at these bulbs, I wasn't too, or lights should I say, I wasn't too sure if they would fit what I have. I didn't actually check before I bought, because I just assumed it's a standard fitting. This whole new house stuff is all new to me, but this is the regular screw thread there. I don't know what fitting that technically is, and then this here is exactly the same, so we should just be able to screw that right in, and let's just see how good it looks. So I've got this installed, and the difference is phenomenal. We've got it here. I'm just going to get them pointing randomly right now. So we've got this on this side, and then we swing around to this side. See the difference? And then over in the corner here, this is phenomenal. Let me just turn it around. So look how much better it is over here. I'll be able to see everything. Obviously I'm in the shadow right here, but just over here, how much better it looks. So I'll get the other side installed. That's both of them installed, and I'm amazed just at how bright it is in here. I mean, it is the middle of the day, but with both doors down, it can be dark. This is excellent. So the light's on for the garage here. That doesn't really put off any light. But yeah, two of these here, just to make it working down here so much better. So I didn't look at any reviews on these. I've never even heard of this brand before. I was just in the Ocean State and I saw them and I went, hey, they're $12.99, let's grab them. I think right at Home Depot, they've got a different brand. I think they're like 26, maybe for 600 lumens, might be even more than that, maybe 35, something like that. So hopefully these last. I mean, it's not a lot of money to put in if they last a couple of years, I guess. But they're meant to last, what, 50,000 hours? 50,000 hours, that's a lot of woodworking projects that I can get done in that time. So the difference is crazy. You can see on my right side, regular bulb, and then over here it's just so bright. Not so bright. I mean, this light isn't flaring up as much, but this light here makes it kind of difficult to see in the background. But it's going to make working out here in the garage so much better. So I have them both installed now. It's really light in here. I'm actually really impressed with how bright they are. And you can angle these lights around a little bit, so I can have them facing all the way down. So say I want to just focus on something down on the below it, I can do that, and it kind of takes the light away a little bit, and then I can angle them back out. So loads of versatility here. I think they're great. What a difference. This is phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. Best $25 I've spent on these two lights. This is going to just make things so much easier for me when I'm out here doing woodwork or just anything, working on a car. Say if I'm getting halogen light out, point it. Sometimes it's just easier if you've got a light above you, and I can get different other lights. But those lights beforehand didn't put off a lot of light. So I'm really impressed with these here, and so easy to install. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll catch you on the next video.